In this video, I shall take you through how much it costs to set up a fish farm in Ghana. And I am going to talk about my experience and the service that we provide in Fako Aquapolis. How much it will cost you to set up your fish farm and to run it successfully. And to be frank with you, there's no an absolute figure to this answer. It entirely depends on the capacity of your farm and other factors. But all things being equal, I'm going to take you through the package of setting up a 500 capacity fish farm and a thousand capacity fish farm by Fako Aquapolis. And this cost is not going to be the entire cost of setting up everything, but it is a package that we provide. And after you have provided or after you have acquired other items, like you have gotten your land, you have gotten your water source, your electricity, and then you are left with setting up the farm to go. So this package is containing how much it will cost you to set up that 500 capacity farm or that 1,000 capacity farm and start the run. But like I said, we assume that by the time you contact for such services, you might have acquired your land. If you are going to have it in your backyard, that is amazing. You don't need extra money for land. You might have also acquired your water. And if you also have your water household the household water that you consume, that is also fine. And the electricity. Now to cut this short, to set up the 500 capacity catfish or tilapia farm, it costs 8,860 Ghana cedis if we are setting it up for you. I am not telling you that is the cost for everyone, but this is the package we give. And it is amazing package because once you pay for this, we come and set it up for you and you are good to go. If you pay for this, you are paying for 500 capacity mobile tarpaulin pond. It also covers fingerlings, 500 fingerlings, either catfish or tilapia. It applies to both. It also covers recirculating aquaculture system, that's the RAS, which is combination of flotation and irrigation system. In fact, this, apart from the pond, is the highest cost again, but it will worth it because it will help you to run your farm without changing the water. And this also helps the fish to grow faster. Now, if you don't want, you can take this out and your cost will reduce, but it's worth it. This cost also covers one bag of feed that can start, you can feed them before you buy feed when it finishes. And that one bag is 20 kilogram in size or in weight. This cost also contains scooping nets. In fact, we have used local made items to produce the scooping net, which is very strong and durable. This also covers if we are going to lay pipes short distance, I mean connecting the outlets of the ponds, it also covers that. And this also covers the installation cost. We'll come and install it for you free of charge. And more importantly, this also covers mentorship. I have realized that a lot of people set up their farms without knowing how to manage their farms and they end up losing their fish. We will give you the basic trainings, especially how to manage your farm, such as water quality management, feeding management, that can help you to prevent mortality and also help your fish to grow faster. So now, this is the 500 capacity pan, which is 8,800 Ghana cedis. Now, the 1,000 capacity farm also is costing 10,000 860 Ghana cedis. And it also covers all these things. The only difference is that the 1,000 capacity farm will provide you with 1,000 capacity mobile tarpaulin pond. Obviously, which is bigger than the tray, which is bigger than the 500 capacity. Apart from this, it also we also give you 1,000 fingerlings or juveniles. These juveniles 1,000 is also part of the cost of the 10,000 international Ghana cedis. And all the items that are enumerated in the 500 capacity, we also provide that. But now, the only extra cost that might come will be transportation. We are unable to add transportation to it because we have several distances and we pay different costs to get there. We are based in Tamale in the northern Ghana, but we provide the services nationwide. So your location will determine how much it's going to cost you to get there. But don't let that frighten you. We always break it down and we always give discounts to our clients. Instead of paying the full amount to transport everything, we give you discounts where you pay lesser for the transport. That's why I'm saying you shouldn't let that scare you. And we provide you the best service possible. And after installing and stocking the fish for you and taking you through the training, anytime you still have challenge, we are available to assist you through. And also, we also have a WhatsApp group that you will be there to continue learning not only from us, but other experienced farmers who are on that page. And any issue or any challenge that you put there, there are other experienced farmers who will be available to assist you. This is a community of learners. All these are benefits that you are going to get when you contact us to install your fish farm for you. This is super affordable as compared to other prices. And more importantly, our availability to guide you and to assist you and to mentor you to have your successful fish journey. That has distanced us from others. Please, 24/7, if you contact us, you will get us. Those who are contacting us, they bear witness to that. Anytime you send me a message, private message on WhatsApp, I will respond to you. If you call, I'll get back to you. Even if I'm busy, I don't answer at the moment, I will surely return that call. I thank you so much for working with us and enjoy your fish farming journey. Like and share this video and let it reach more burdened fish farmers or those who are already in it. My name is Abdulaziz Issa, and we are running this as Paco Apaponis. Thank you.